Welcome, in front of me is an LG G8X, and today I'll show you how to put the device into the download mode. Now before we begin, we will need a cable that you want to plug into your computer and simply have it ready on the side for now. And to begin, let's power off the device by holding the power key, select power off and wait for the device to shut down. So once that happens, you want to hold volume up, and while holding only volume up, plug it in. And there we go. You can see download mode. Give it a second and it will actually boot into it, and there we go. Now it will show you to do not unplug. At this moment doesn't really matter because I'm not really doing anything with the computer. This is primarily if you actually are uploading something to the device using some software. So in this case it doesn't really include me in there, so I can unplug it. So that is how you would boot your device into the download mode, and when you want to leave it, you want to hold power key and volume down. And you will need to hold it for about like 5 to 7 seconds, something like that. Basically till the screen turns off. And there we go, it will automatically boot back up into Android. And as you can see, we're now back. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.